Hello viewers, and today for you I have another eBay purchase. This is a half shilling Austrian coin from 1926. I paid $3.46 for it, so let's open it up, see what we've got. Okay, and it looks like it's sandwiched between two index cards. And there we have it. Okay, there you can see the obverse. It's still in the coin flip. And we'll show you the reverse. I think I'm going to take it out of the coin flip here so we can get a little bit better detail. Maybe clean it up a little bit. Okay, I took it out of the coin flip, cleaned up the coin a little bit, and this is the obverse. And it says Republik Österreich, which is German for Republic of Austria. And in the center it has the Austrian shield. And I'll show you the reverse. And on the back it has half, indicating a half shilling. And it says Halb Schilling, which is German for half shilling. And it has a diamond pattern in the center. Now this coin is 64% silver, and it's approximately 3 grams in weight and 19 millimeters in diameter. So let's see if it is 19 millimeters in diameter. And it looks like it's 19 millimeters in diameter. Okay, let's see what it weighs. It should be 3 grams. And it comes out to be exactly 3 grams. So it passes the weight test. So overall, I really like the look of this coin. When I looked at it, I liked the Austrian shield pattern on the front. And on the back, I like the diamond shape that they have, and the way you have several diamonds circumscribed inside the other diamond. It almost gives it a 3D depth look to it. So this coin, as I said, was 64% silver, so it being at 3 grams, we are looking at 1.92 grams of actual silver in this coin. And I paid $3.46 for this coin. And I've checked a number of different references for it, and I think in this condition we're looking at a coin that is worth about $25. So that's a nice profit on this coin. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.